Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to add crop effect on Filmora. So, we have a sample video here. To add a crop effect, go to Effects up here, and search for crop. That's it. Drag it on the video. Double-click on the video and go to Effects to edit the crop effect. Down here you have auto zoom and also blur edges. This is how it looks. Let's see with two videos how it will look. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.